Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Canceled for Maintenance podcast with 6 MBP, that's short for Man Bear Pig, and the man who keeps us on track, in line, and out of trouble. Consider him our conscious Shoreline. Together, we will discuss the gritty, non-glamorous, caffeine and hate-fueled life of the aircraft maintainer.
Follow along as we provide a comedic perspective of the life inside the aviation maintenance community. Have you ever been deployed?
Have you ever froze while trying to replace a fuel control or felt a warm burning sensation on your dick that only Skydrill can provide? Have you ever been standing on the ramp at 3 a.m. soaked in fuel and hydraulic fluid, questioning where you went wrong in life? If you answered yes to any of those questions, then this podcast is for you.
Be warned, there will be foul language. Although I don't think any of our listeners will mind, but if you do, we have one thing to say. It sucks to suck.
Hi everyone, I'm Man Bear Pig, or MBP for short. I'm from a small town in Ohio. As the license plate states, Ohio is the birthplace of aviation, so I guess aviation has always been in my blood. I've worked in aviation for a little over 13 years now. During my time in the aviation industry, I've gathered experience on corporate or private jets, UAVs, or what many others know to be as drones, and spaceflight systems. I've also followed these aircraft all over the world. 7 of those years were spent on numerous deployments to the Middle East. Aviation has not been an easy career path, but has been very rewarding and given me experiences that most other industries couldn't provide. I hope each and every one of you out there enjoys the podcast and the content my counterparts and I cover. We think you will enjoy listening just as much as we have enjoyed creating the show. Please like and subscribe to our various social media platforms, share us with your friends, and if you really like what we're doing, support us on Patreon. Time to get after it. Light the fires and kick the tires.
My name is Six. I began my aviation career as a helicopter mechanic while serving in the U.S. Marine Corps. I'm a 15-year veteran and gunnery sergeant, and have held multiple positions as a flight line Marine, from line supervisor to maintenance control non-commissioned officer in charge. I work primarily on Hueys and Cobras, which are H-1s, but have been all across the fleet, from Marine Expeditionary units to firing ranges, to the Marine Expeditionary Force leadership. I bring 15 years of military aircraft experience, and I've served all around the world, from California's West Coast to patrolling ships in the Pacific to the deserts of the Middle East.
Hey everyone, I'm Shoreline. I'm an audio engineer, and I will be recording, editing, producing, and engineering Canceled for Maintenance. Some background on me: I went to the Art Institute of Seattle, where I earned my associate's degree in audio production. I later went on to work in the live production industry, where I have done everything from small corporate events to arena shows. Since my expertise is mostly in the live sound industry, I look forward to expanding on my studio knowledge that I learned in school. Please enjoy and support the podcast. We hope that you enjoy it at least half as much as we have enjoyed making it. Thank you.